Hey everybody, it's your girl Passion Monet back again. How y'all doing? Today I'm going to do some nails that were inspired by Femi Beauty. I'm going to leave the link to her page in the description bar. She did some really cute honey bee nails. So I'm just showing you right now how I mix the pink colors up. I mix pink, that color is in Vacation. I use a clear and I also use a white color just to get a nice little pink tone for my nails. Right here I'm just mixing it up. And I'm adding a little bit of white to it. I'm just gonna make sure I mix that thoroughly. And as I applied it to the nails, I applied 2 coats to each nail. You're gonna see that shortly. And here it is. And now I'm just showing you the polygel color that I made. I just used some of my pigment powders and mixed it with some white polygel. And this is the color that it came out as for the honey colors. And right now I'm just sculpting it on top of the pink just to make it like a drip look, because Femi Beauty's nails had like honey dripped over it. So I wanted to kind of recreate that in a way but still make it my own. And I wanted to add the bees on top of that. Now these bees I got from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description bar below, as well as the other products. And I also forgot to mention that all of the polishes that I used in the video were from shopmissa.com, and they were $1 each, which is very, very good, very, very affordable. Those weren't gel polishes, those were regular polishes. So I think the price is really good, $1. It's really nice. And right here I'm just continuing to make the little drip effect. And I'm going to push the bees down in there. Now y'all, this was a struggle. I probably should have cured, like after I did each nail, to cure it, because it was just getting so sticky everywhere. I should have cured each nail one by one, but I made it work. You know, I made it work. It came out very, very, very cute. And as you can see on each nail, I'm just putting the bees on the honey just randomly in different spots. I kind of wish my honey was a little bit more transparent, because right there it kind of looks like peanut butter. But I mean, it did come out cute at the end, as you'll see later on. Okay, and I cured that for about I think about 2.5 minutes. And now I'm going in with another polish that I had. It's in the color Dizzy, and I just wanted to go over the honey and just to make it pop more. It's like a gold glitter, so I added that on top. It's just a really easy nail that I did. It wasn't too hard to do. Now I'm just adding some bling. As you'll see later, I ended up not even going with the clear bling. I changed it, but you'll see that later on. I'm adding a little bit of, it's like blue, sort of. very simple and easy to do, and I just love the finished product. And right here for the bling, I ran out of nail glue, so I just used gel top coat, and then I cured it in place, and it held the bling pretty well. I just love these blue crystals. They like change, it's like a blue purple sort of changing effect, and I just love those. They are so cute. Okay, right here is where I'm taking that other bling off and just decided to do the blue. They were just too cute, I had to put more. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and the finished product. Here is the finished product. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.